Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in the world of gadgets and creative tools. Today, we're diving into one of the most vibrant and versatile products on the market, the Gotideal Liquid Chalk Markers. Whether you're a professional artist, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone looking to add a pop of color to your world, these markers are definitely worth your attention. The Gotideal Liquid Chalk Markers come in a set of 30 stunning colors, including 4 metallic shades, making them perfect for a wide variety of projects. From creating eye-catching window art to drawing on chalkboards, these markers allow you to work in bold, vibrant tones that stand out. Each marker has a reversible tip, which means you can easily switch between fine and bold strokes, offering ultimate flexibility for your creative projects. Whether you're adding intricate details or filling large areas with color, these markers have you covered. One of the key features of the Gotideal Liquid Chalk Markers is the ease with which you can erase them. The water-based, non-toxic ink allows you to wipe off your designs with a damp cloth or paper towel, making cleanup a breeze. This is especially helpful if you're using them for temporary designs or seasonal decorations. The markers work beautifully on non-porous surfaces like glass, mirrors, plastic, and chalkboards, which means they're perfect for restaurants, bistros, or even at home on your kitchen menu boards. In addition to their vivid colors, the Gotideal markers are designed to enhance your business. For restaurant owners, these markers add a lively touch to your menu boards, and for event planners, they can make custom signs and decorations that are as colorful as your imagination. Whether it's for holidays like Christmas or Halloween, or for everyday use like birthdays and graduations, these markers bring a new level of creativity to any occasion. The Gotideal Liquid Chalk Markers are more than just markers, they're an experience. They come with a set of 24 chalkboard labels and 3 extra tips, giving you even more ways to express your creativity. Whether you're drawing, writing, or just having fun with art, these markers make it easy to leave your mark. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that these markers are not suitable for all types of chalkboards. It's always a good idea to test them on a small area first to avoid any issues. But once you get them working, the possibilities are endless. So, if you're looking for a way to add some color to your world or boost your business with creative signs, the Gotideal Liquid Chalk Markers are the perfect choice. Be sure to check them out in the link below and see for yourself why they're a must-have for any creative project. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.